Simple squamous epithelium is seen in alveoli of lungs. Seen in number 1, alveoli of lungs. Seen in blood vessels, that is mainly endothelium అని అంటాము blood vessels ని. Blood vessels లో ఉండే squamous, simple squamous epithelium ni we are calling it as endothelium. So simple squamous epithelium is seen in blood vessels. We call it as endothelium. Simple squamous epithelium is seen in Bowman's capsule of nephron. Bowman's capsule of nephron. Glomerulus of nephron. Glomerulus of nephron and Bowman's capsule of nephron. Simple squamous epithelium is also seen in heart, lymphatic vessels, mesothelium of body cavities, mesothelium of body cavity, and mesothelium is also seen in epithelial lining of serous membrane. Serous membrane యొక్క epithelium lining ఉంటుంది కదా, అది కూడా it is also made up of with simple squamous epithelium. Epithelial layer of serous membrane. Epithelial layer of serous membrane. దాన్ని ఏమంటాం మనము? epithelial of serous membrane, we call it as peritoneum. Serous membrane, epithelium of serous membrane, we call it as peritoneum. దాన్ని మనం peritoneum అని పిలుస్తాం. Peritoneum. So alveoli of the lungs is made up of with simple squamous epithelium, and blood vessels are also inner lining of blood vessels. They are also made up of with simple squamous epithelium. Bowman's capsule of nephron, inner lining of Bowman's capsule of nephron. Glomerulus of nephron, it is also made up of with simple squamous epithelium. Linings of heart and the lymphatic vessels, they are also made up of with simple squamous epithelium. And the mesothelium of the body cavity, it is also lined or made up of with a simple squamous epithelium. Serous membrane, epithelium of serous membrane, that we call it as peritoneum, it is also made up of with simple squamous epithelium. And tympanic membrane, that is eardrum, is also made up of with a simple squamous epithelium. That is tympanic membrane. Tympanum or tympanic membrane. This tympanic membrane, we call it as eardrum. It is also made up of with simple squamous epithelium. Simple squamous epithelium is seen in alveoli of lungs, blood vessels, that we call it as endothelium, Bowman's capsule of nephron, glomerulus of nephron, tympanic membrane, that is eardrum, heart, and lymphatic vessels, mesothelium of body cavities, serous membrane, epithelium of serous membrane, peritoneum, that we call it as peritoneum. So this is all regarding simple squamous epithelium.